Is. Good boy, Nathan.
Oh.
Show him how strong you are. Say, sometimes I can do this for minutes, sometimes 30 seconds. We just don't know.
Okay, what happened here?
But I'm practicing.
Why am backslashing at me?
Practicing my big strong muscles. Are you low on battery?
No, I discharged them.
Are you practicing your big strong muscles? Yeah. Yeah. Good job, Nathan.
There you go. Guys, look at them stripes, Mom.